Here we go. More molds. So this is a 4.5-inch frog. No specifics information on it, so I don't know. Used. Cool. So this right here, you know what? This right here, I believe you could probably rig this up and use it like a crawfish, as well as a frog. I think you can do it just basically however you want. It is not 4.5 inches. It is 4 inches. And so these, the way they're designed, they would splay out. And that would increase the length. And so you've got this dado in here that is probably designed to be a hook slot and a divot. And then you've got some interesting stuff on this mold, the design. I may just see if I can zoom in, and then maybe I forget and I won't do it. But to kind of look at the intricacies. But you can see that there's texture on what would be the legs, as well as the main body. It would be ringed. And so I think this would be a pretty cool mold. This one is a 3.5-inch swim T SHAD B. It almost looks like it says 3.5-inch swim sized orgy. I don't know. Okay. I don't think it's an orgy. Oh, cool. Okay. So this is, oh, I get it. Okay. So this right here is bellied, just like the belly of a fish, coming back into the tail, which is that same style that you get over here on the frog. And so this back is kind of straight. And so what you would end up with is a straight back, a belly like on a fish, coming into a flat tail that would be flipping and flapping around. So that, I think, is pretty cool. This is all smooth, and so the only texture you've got is going to be back there on that tail. And so this one is a spear tail. A spear tail. So, okay, so when I seen this one, I looked it up on Do It Molds, and it called it a universal spear tail. And so this universal spear tail, apparently you can cast these, and the guy said that he used it for like a slug style lure, which it seems like it'd do just fine for that. But because it's shaped just like a slug, but at the same time you can cast these, and then if you can fit it in another mold and place the tail, it has a little ball right here that you could inject another bait of some sort, worm, fish, whatever it is, and put this tail on there, and cast. The tail would be cast in one color, and the rest of the bait would be cast in another color. So this right here is cool. I think that there's potential with this mold. All of these molds, actually. So, hey, look, we're knocking these quick little videos out. So, I appreciate you spending your time here with me. I do enjoy spending time with you. I'd ask you to like and subscribe because it really helps the channel. It hardly no one subscribes anymore. I do have subscribers, and I think I end up getting, one or two a week. But when you hit that subscribe button, it definitely helps. And when you hit that unsubscribe button, it hurts my heart. It really does. So anyway, I appreciate you, and I will see you next time.